Okay, so it says how many arithmetic means are inserted between -3/2 and 29/10 when the sum of the second and the last is. Well, I'm going to write some things down now. And the first thing I want to write down is I want to write down A1 is equal to -3/2. And I'm going to say AN is equal to 29/10. I'm going to say A2 is going to be -3/2 plus the common difference, which I don't know what that is, by the way. But what I do know is I know the last term and the second term would add together would give me 9/5. So let me write that down. So I got 29/10, that's the last term, plus the second term, which is -3/2 plus D, is going to be equal to 9/5. Right, now I'm going to see if I can get D now. Right, now how would you do that? Well, I guess I got to do some additions here, don't I? So let me write this down. 29/10 minus 15/10 plus D equals 18/10. Yeah, I think I did okay. And then 29 minus 15 is going to be 14/10 plus D is 18/10. And then D would be equal to 4/10. All right? So, I was going to say it's work, but at least I got the 4/10 or 2/5. I'm going to get my eraser out. They didn't ask for that, by the way, but at least I know what the D is now. All right? Get my eraser out. And I'm going to just say I really don't need this anymore. But I'll summarize what I've got. All right? I'll summarize what I got. So I have the D. I'll write this over here now. And the D is, I'm going to write down as 4/10. Or 2/5, whatever you want to write down. Doesn't matter. I'll erase this over here. So I want to, my second thing is, I want to find out what the N is. And to do that, I'm going to write it down. So AN is 29/10 equals, well, A1 is -3/2. I'm just going to say -15/10 plus N minus 1 times the D. And what's the D? The D is 4/10. I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. You get 29 equals -15 plus 4N minus 4. Let's see, you get there. -15 minus 4 is -19. I'll write that down. 29 minus 19 plus 4N. And then I'm going to add 29 to both sides. I'm sorry, I'm going to add 19 to both sides. Let's see, 39, 48. And that equals 4N. And that means N equals 12. So someone says, does that tell you anything? Yeah, it tells me something. Now, what it tells me is it tells me that this is A1, this is A12. So how many fit in between there? Let's see, you got 2, 2, 11. So what would you have? You'd have 10. So 10 arithmetic means are inserted. It's right over here. All right? So it's 2 through 11, which is 10. Okay, thank you.